Hello, I'm Renu and I hope that everybody is happy and healthy. I always pray for you the best. So I try to tell you something very important which really can help you in making your career. So today I'm going to tell you about listening skills because this is very important skill. Most of the people do not concern about that. They think, what is listening? This is a common tendency. Whatever the sounds are there, we are listening. Whatever the some person is speaking, we are listening. No, that's not a listening. That is a natural hearing. Means whatever the sounds are coming, you are listening. That you will say that is a passive listening. That's not a active listening. Active listening is that when you are really trying to understand someone, when really you are thinking what someone is speaking and trying to catching and observing and analyzing his words. That means you are thoroughly focused on that thing. That is listening. Listening, if you are listening the voice of anyone, that is a hearing. Maximum time you must have seen that in your family also it happens. Then someone is saying anything, your child, your wife, your friend, your anyone, brother, sister, siblings and all. So what happened? They say, you have not listened what I was saying. You have not listened. You are not listening to me. And you say, no, I am listening to you. But what happened? We are listening only his voice. We are not listening the words what he is trying to say. So that is it has been said, a good speaker must be a good listener. If really you want to be a good you want to improve your comm skills, you will have to be a good listener. Listening has lots and lots of importance in life. Always you will find the successful people, they will say listen others, because listening improves you a lot. Now I'll tell you today that how listening is important and how it can be improved. Listening is important. The first thing is that it opens door for the new ideas. It always gives you new ideas, because whenever you listen to someone, you really get something new from other. It is the wonderful resource to get informations from the other people, because whatever other person is speaking, he really must know, he must be knowing something that he is telling you, and whatever he is telling you, that really can help you to analyze and observe him, and how you have to tackle that person, you can easily know by listening to that person. So first importance of listening is that it opens doors for the new ideas, for the new informations, for the new knowledge, if you listen to someone very carefully. Second importance is what? That it improves relationship. Because when you listen to someone, then really you get very close to that person. And that person also understands then how much you are caring and concerned for him, and you are listening him thoroughly, so that the closeness increases. So if really you want to increase your relationship with any of the person, the first quality you must improve, that you must listen to him carefully. In my one video I also told you that how listening had to connect the people. Third importance of listening is what? That it improves your patience. Means it teaches you how to be focused, how to be concentrate, and it really improves your patience. Most of the time we don't have patience. We are unable to concentrate over anything. We are unable to focus on anything. Like it has been said, the general span of listening is maximum 45 minutes. Means you can listen to someone continuously up to 45 minutes. After that, it might start getting diverted. But you would surprise that even people are unable to listen more than 1 or 2 minutes. The study says. So why? Why it happens? Because we are unable to concentrate. You must have known about that, why people do meditation, and also why they are learning this therapy. They want to learn the concentrations. They want to be focused on that thing, because this is a generally bad habit, or you can't say this is a bad habit, or it may happen with us. Then we want to listen something, we want to be focused on something, and our mind get distracted. So listening improves your patience. If really you get ready to listen someone, that will improve your patience. Another importance of listening is that it shows, it reveals the respect for others. If really you listen to someone, that means you are respecting to that person. Not listening to anyone is the means you are insulting to that person. So never do like that thing. If the person is listening to you, sorry, if you are listening to someone, so always try to respect him. Always try to give regard to him. By listening, you really shows that you are respecting. You must have noticed when you are speaking and the people are talking, how you feel bad. You feel very bad. Everywhere it happens. This is the common tendency of a human being, and each human being thinks like that. So never disregard to anyone. Always listen to someone means that will show how much you respect to that person. Okay, now I'll tell you how you can improve your listenings. You can improve your listening. The first thing is that you will have to tell your mind that you have to listen. You have to accept yourself. You have to say yourself that be focused, don't get diverted, because only you can teach your mind yourself. None can teach you. You can make yourself ready to listen someone only until and unless you are not ready to listen. So you will have to be ready to listen someone. You will have to tell your mind, no, I have to be focused, I have to be concentrated, I have to listen that person. Second, how you can improve your listening, that you have to stop the distraction. Always you will find the people are talking, unwanted voices are coming, and we always start getting diverted. We are sitting here and we are listening some of the unwanted noise, and these kind of things are happening. So do not try to distract from that things. And even the people are talking, let them talk. Later you can ask what you were talking, but do not try to distract from that thing, miss from that listening. So stop distraction. Third thing what you have to do, that you do not have to keep any personal issue in mind. Means you don't have to be biased. What does it mean? Like if you know about that person anything, that he lives in my neighbor, I know his character, I know his skill, I know his experience. Today he is speaking in front of me. I know him very well. How much knowledge he is having? What does he know? And I know what skill he is having. I know entire history of that person. So do not be biased, because when you are listening, that means you are listening only. Their purpose is only to listen. Later you can decide what important thing he spoke and what important thing he didn't speak. But at that time, do not keep any kind of these issues in your mind. So you don't have to be biased. Generally it happens, it's a common nature. Fourth thing what you have to do, this is also very common nature of a human being, that whenever any person comes in front of us, we start seeing his body language, we start seeing his dresses, we start seeing his hairstyle, we start seeing his walking style. We always try to observe other things rather to what he is saying. So these things, do not let us listen what that person wants to say us. So never see these things. Whatever he is wearing, let it be. The world is full of so many people. Everybody has a different choice. Everybody is having itself a unique personality. We do not have right to notice anything. So only we have to listen to that person, because after listening, we will come to know what is right and what is wrong, what new things we have learned. So do not keep these things in your mind. Leave this bad habit which if you are having. Another thing is what, that you must be knowing about that barrier to communication. So if you do not listen properly to someone, that becomes a barrier. Like you must have noticed whenever you are in any meeting and all, so what happens, the meeting is going on and you do not listen to that person thoroughly. You know that person has told me yesterday what he is going to speak today, and I know what useless he is going to speak, and he is very junior to me, what he can tell me, whatever things you know and feel, and you do not listen to that person. And what happens after the meeting, you are being asked, okay, what do you think about the suggestion he has given just? So you will be speechless, you won't be able to say anything. So at the time it will become barrier, or most of the time it happens. So do not let it make barrier, because if it will become barrier, you won't be able to improve your comm skills. That means try to listen carefully. If you will not listen, that will become your barrier. So whatever I have told you in today's video, that how listening is important and how you can improve that, I think you must have got the idea that really it is very, very helpful resource to enhance your comm skills. even though you find that this is not helping you, I'm always ready to tell you more and more about this, because here I speak in very brief. So if you want in detail, I can tell you something more about that, but you write in the comment box, that then I'll come to know that what I have to tell you more. And please share these videos with everybody, so everybody can get the benefit, and wish you all the best. Thank you.